Indianapolis, and 85 at Jasper, Indiana. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 83 at Jackson and 84 at London. Here is the Florida's weather outlook. Issued at 3:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Alrighty guys, what is going on everybody? Welcome back to another live stream here for today. I hope you guys are doing good out there. Good evening to you guys. Hope everyone's fine. I have to, okay, I'm not gonna lie. As soon as I started the live stream today, I actually died of laughing for this dude's channel name, okay? An alert, let's see, an emergency alert SpongeBob weather and bus fan. I am so sorry, but dude, that is a funny name. I'm just gonna be straight honest with you. I am being honest. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, what's up, guys? Talk about a unique name. I've never seen something that unique. Oh my goodness. Alright, y'all, what's up? Hope you're doing good. Let's go ahead and see who's here. We have Catnado, we got Anthony, we have Sam, Christopher, that guy, we have Caleb, Divine, let's see here, we have LV, Raider, let's see, what's up, guys? Scott here. What's up, everybody? Hope you guys are doing good out there. So, yeah, so we're going to be doing a little bit of personal forecast here for today, because tomorrow, being July 4th, you know, the big Independence Day tomorrow, we got ourselves a shot for actually a pretty decent severe weather event. So we are going to be talking about it. Now, actually, for tomorrow, we already have an enhanced risk out there, level 3 out of 5. I mean, look at that. So it's not really the biggest slight risk, or sorry, the biggest enhanced risk that we've seen, but it does cover some areas here throughout the Central Plains that needs to watch out for tomorrow. I mean, regardless of the enhanced risk, we got a pretty big slight risk out there for possible severe weather. Let's see here. Weather Now says, oh, hello. What's up? Hope we're doing good. Scott with a $3 super chat. Thank you so much, Scott. Greatly appreciate it, man. Thank you so much for the support. You rock, man. Thank you so much. Let's see here. Liam says, I'm eating hot dogs for dinner.
The current time is 6:34
Sounds pretty good.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Let's see. Barbie says hello. What's up? Caden says kind of disappointed because maybe no fireworks. Ooh, that's... Yeah, you know, that's what I'm a little concerned about here. Because we're going to be having a lot of nature's fireworks tomorrow. Across, like I said, really tomorrow I'm worried about is the Central Plains in the Midwest. We also do have a pretty large risk out there for the far southeast. You know, it's a pretty large risk, but small threat, essentially. It's marginal. I mean, actually, it goes all the way up to the northeast, even. Look at that. All the way from the northeast to, all the way down as far up northeast as, like, Massachusetts, all the way up to northeastern Texas. Sam says, it's my birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mr. Sam, hope you're having a good day, and I hope that you have had a wonderful birthday. See, Caden says my birthday in 10 days. What was that noise? Did you guys hear that?
29.92 inches and steady.
That was a weird noise. I don't know if y'all heard that or not.
4 degrees under mostly sunny skies.
Sound like some alien noise.
Around the region.
Anyways, but yeah, like I said, tomorrow, really across Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Colorado, even Wyoming. Should keep an eye out there for it. You can see across the yellow and the orange. That's kind of like the bullseye. That's kind of where the most of your weather is expected tomorrow. Let's see. 90 plus degrees here in Iowa, says LV Raider. Yeah, no, it's been real hot. Not just across those areas, but look at this. Here, I'm going to show you guys today's map. Look at this. Here's today's max expected temperatures. I'm going to probably zoom that in a little bit better so you guys can see more of it. Yeah, we've literally been seeing like 90s going all the way up into like Minnesota. I mean, we are seeing real hot temperatures. Look down here, though. You're going to be very thankful when you find out that you're not in areas down here. Southern Arizona literally has 115. That's not heat index. That is straight up your temperature outside. Really brutal. Yeah, a lot of South California as well is in those really hot temperatures. And you know what? Since we're already on this page, here's tomorrow's expected temperatures. It's going to be a pretty hot 4th of July for a lot of people. I mean, we are literally talking a lot of areas here that's expected to be in the 90s and plus. I mean, if you live towards the Midwest, it's going to be in the 90s, likely the mid-90s. Let's see. Is Dallas okay? Yeah, Dallas is fine. However, actually, I will mention tomorrow we do have a little marginal risk out there, so we do have a shot for possible severe weather. So, yeah, my friends out there in Dallas, heads up to you. Yeah, keep an eye out there for a few storms could be possible. The marginal risk shows that there's a possibility for maybe a few severe thunderstorms tomorrow. Once again, this is for July 4th. But honestly, like I said, the probability is quite low overall. See, it's 93 today in Fort Madison, Iowa. Yeah, no, it's getting pretty hot, well up there. Like I said, that's not even including the heat index either. I mean, heat index brings the temperature to a lot hotter than what it really is. Let's see, Scott, dude, with another $3 super chat, man. Thank you so much, dude. That's very nice of you. Thank you so much there, Scott. Let's see here. 80 feels like 84 in Hall, Iowa. That's not surprising, honestly. That's really not surprising here. See, 90 feels like 103, yeah. Especially you got to take in consideration those humidity levels, too. I mean, especially down south, deep south. You guys always get that tropical moisture from the Gulf, and that always makes things, like, really, really hot. Let's see here. Lows in the mid-60s. How is Minnesota's zip code? 56364. Friday and Friday night. 56364. Yeah, we're gonna be doing some zip codes here for y'all today. Just get that word out there for the 4th of July. All right, my friend. Yeah, you got a slight risk tomorrow, so you do have a chance for a couple of thunderstorms. Let me see if I can get a general timing for you. Let's see, we'll pull up the NAM 3-kilometer model here. The wonderful NAM 3K. Here we go. All right, so for tomorrow, yeah, it kind of shows maybe a lot of storms actually rolling through pretty early. But it does show right around sunset, maybe around 8, 9 o'clock. It does show maybe a few thunderstorms popping off out there. So this includes like Minneapolis too. Now timing could be a little different. I mean, like I said before, models, they are not perfect, y'all. They are far from being perfect, but
the current time is 6:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Let's see here. Barbie wants me to take a look here at 54843. All right, 54843, right? 54843. Yes, that's right. For Wisconsin. All right, yep. Y'all in a slight risk as well. So yeah, same thing applies to you. It looks like it's going to be a kind of an evening type of thing. Honestly, this model here for tomorrow really doesn't show much happening until like late. So, but honestly, like I said, oh, you know what? I am so sorry, you guys. I accidentally had the no weather radio up too loud. I see. LV says hard times hearing you. Thank you for pointing that out, LV. Yeah, I noticed my my weather radio was really loud on my end. Sorry about that, y'all. Let's see. Scott, dude, with another 3. Holy cow, Scott. Man, you are super generous. You are super supportive. Thank you so much, man. That's super greatly appreciated. I will mention right now, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning out there in Wisconsin, kind of for the northern side, for 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts here and quarter-size hail. See, it looks like an overnight event. Yeah, it kind of does. Yeah, I mean, if they're for Wisconsin, the models have a hard time showing anything happening. At least this model. I'm going to do another one of these, y'all, tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Like I said, I was planning on doing another personal forecast live stream for you guys tomorrow morning. Like maybe late tomorrow morning, early afternoon tomorrow. That way I can, obviously, get you guys your updated forecast for tomorrow. But yeah. Let's see here. Weather now wants me to take a look here at 29016. 29016. All right. You, my friend, are in South Carolina. We were actually mentioning that we do have actually severe weather risk for portions of the southeast. This actually includes the Carolinas, yeah. So it's going to be possible. Definitely it's going to be possible for a couple of strong to potentially severe thunderstorms tomorrow. Obviously, heads up to that, while, partying it out, essentially. It shows some storms firing off here, late, kind of in the evening. It seems like the evening time would be the more likelihood of seeing severe weather. You can see the models out there kind of popping up, maybe a few thunderstorms. This is showing around 9 p.m. or so. But, like I said, models aren't perfect. They are far from perfect. Also, the timing could be a little wonky on the models. So, I wouldn't trust it fully. Oh, my gosh, dude. Scott with another donation. Man, Scott. Dude, this is your 4th $3 donation, man. That is super nice of you, bro. Thank you so much, Scott. Let's see. Happiest birthday, Purple, and thank you, Scott. Let's see. Purple, it's your birthday, too? It was somebody else's birthday. It was somebody else's birthday who just said that in the beginning of the live stream today. Well, happy birthday to y'all. A lot of people have a lot of birthdays. One of my friends from school several years back, the more I think about it, he actually had a birthday on today as well. So it's seems like there's a lot of people that are having birthdays today. Let's see, Twinsky won with a whopping $10 super chat, man. Thank you so much, Twinsky. Saying, let's see, 68510 tomorrow, tornado threat question mark. Let me pull that up for you. Thank you so much for the 10. That's very nice of you. 68510. 68510. Oh, Lincoln, Nebraska. Gotcha. So, yeah, you're in a slight risk at level 2. The models do show kind of a large, what we call an MCS, basically a big cluster of thunderstorms rolling through. If this occurs, it will likely happen in the evening. The good news is that the models, or this model in particular, shows not really much happening until the late evening. You should have most of your whatever you're doing done with, and the fireworks should have already gone off at this point. But if not, it's going to happen maybe late, maybe just an hour or so after sunset. Not guaranteeing on anything, but it's a possibility. Now, you were talking about, or you were wondering if there is actually a tornado threat for you. Let's see. I don't think there is. No, there's not a tornado threat for you. There is actually a 2% chance. Uh-oh, my monitor went out. There you go. There's actually a 2% chance for tornadoes tomorrow, and that's across far western Nebraska. Not on your end, though, which is good. Obviously, you don't want to have any tornadoes. Even then, it's a really small chance. Like I said, 2% chance. Maybe have a tornado or two. Generally, tomorrow, the good news is that tornadoes is not expected to be anything crazy. However, damaging wind gusts, across central Nebraska and northern Kansas, that could be a problem. That could be a problem. Talking the possibility there for, some of those damaging wind gusts, honestly, they put that significant risk out there. And, that kind of tells us that there is a possibility that some of those wind gusts could actually get over 70 miles per hour. So, yeah, that's kind of our main concern. Obviously, hail, too. We have a pretty large hail threat for tomorrow. The more I think about it, yeah, they have that. They just put that enhanced that last update, I think. I think they just did that. Let's see. What's up, Matthew? Hope you're doing good, man. Haven't seen you here in a little bit. But once again, Twinsky, thank you so much for the 10. Very sweet of you. See, we need rain in Iowa. Oh, yeah. A lot of the Midwest needs it. I mean, even Missouri does, too. We were actually watching just the other day. We were looking at the drought monitors. I'll pull it up here again. But the droughts are really heavy across there. I mean, even they're out there towards like Nebraska too. I mean, look at this, pretty big risk. Let's see here. Yeah, you can see. Oh, there you go. A lot of that red, that's like the extreme drought. That's where there's a lot of, or actually exponential. That's like big stuff. Kansas, Nebraska, seriously getting impacted by it, which is pretty crazy. Let's see here. Male. Let's see here. Male Min Swiffy. I hope I'm saying your name right. I'm sorry. But say any rain for severe or severe thunderstorms for Rockford, Illinois, 61109 tomorrow evening night. Love your channel. Well, thank you. That's super nice of you. Let's see here. All right, I got you. Especially to our supporters. Thank you so much. 61109, Rockford, Illinois. Okay, you have a general thunderstorm threat. So what that means is that there's a chance for maybe a few thunderstorms, but I have good news. They're not expected to be damaging or severe. And the odds are pretty low, actually. Let's see here. I'll pull up the model for you. The models models keep it pretty quiet. Like the NAM 3K, the model we've been looking at here, kind of keeps it pretty quiet in terms of anything. So I think you might have a good chance of having a pretty clear 4th of July. But just remember, there's a chance for maybe a few thunderstorms, but once again, they're not expected to be anything damaging or severe. So they should be pretty good. Let's see here. Mailman's wifey. Oh, is it really that simple? Oh, I didn't see the A. There is no A, is there? I'm sorry. All right, Mailman's wifey, thank you for the 5. I'm so sorry. That, honestly don't feel bad because I mess up everybody's name. And not only do I mess up people's names, but I also mess up town names too. All the time. Let's see, I'll take that. Thanks, Andrew. You're very welcome. No problem. Let's see, Finn's wants me to take a look here at 63028. All right, let's see, 63028. See, Missouri. You have a general thunderstorm threat. You are not expecting anything crazy. That's good. Yeah, no, you don't want, especially tomorrow, we don't want to have any of that severe weather, Let's see here. Oh, gosh. Okay, Mailman's wifey. This is what I'm telling you. Kyra saying howdy, y'all. Hi, Andrew. I always get their name wrong. Is it Kyra? Crossing my fingers, maybe. Let's see. But anyways, what's up? Hope you're doing good. How's St. Cloud, Minnesota looking tomorrow? If you could give me a zip code, that would be a lot better. But I can probably try to find it. St. Cloud, Minnesota. Yeah, zip codes are a lot easier, y'all. Okay, so you have a slight risk, so you are in the chance for a few thunderstorms. A couple of which could be severe. So keep an eye out there for that. Let's see here. Yeah, the models do have things in the evening starting to pop off. So it's gonna be quite possible. Maybe a couple of thunderstorms could roll through tomorrow. I would keep an eye on the radar for whatever you're doing tomorrow for 4th of July. Yeah, because it definitely looks like it's gonna be possible for a couple of severe thunderstorms. Let's see here. I don't know, St. Cloud, Minnesota zip code. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I got it for you. But like I said, it does look like a few strong to severe storms are going to be possible out there. So we'll we'll keep it on it. Like I said, tomorrow morning, at some point tomorrow morning, probably late morning, early afternoon. Like I said, I'm going to be doing another one of these live streams in order to give you guys a fresh update, essentially. Prepper says, sorry I'm running late, y'all. Sorry. No, it's fine, Prepper. Just glad to have you here, man. Let's see here. I'm watching another live stream, but I'm going to stay here. Okay. Sorry, Andrew, just trying not to spam. Curious of 61610. Okay. 61610. Oh, that's a pretty easy zip code to remember. Let's see. Illinois. You know what? You're not even in any risk. You're not even in the General Thunder. I think you're good, man. I do. I think you're all right. I don't think you're expecting to see much of anything. Yeah, you're looking fine. You know, once again, guys, tomorrow we just got to watch out for areas like across the Midwest. Here, I'll go ahead and show you guys real quickly. Oh, gosh, I broke my monitor again. I can't see anything. But, yeah, so across these colors here, you have the dark green, the yellow, and the orange. Those are areas where severe storms are possible. Obviously, the highest chance for seeing severe weather will be across the orange here. But in terms of the possibility for severe weather, it does exist across all of those areas at some percent. I mean, even the southeast here, the mid-Atlantic and the southern northeast regions, you know, like up there towards like, you know, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts. We have New Jersey, you know, Long Island. Those areas, even up in the northeast, do have a possibility of seeing that. But anyways, Sam wants me to take a look here at 29653. Let's see here. 29653. You are across South Carolina. You got yourselves a marginal, my friend. So yeah, like as mentioned before, you are actually in the risk out there for possibility of severe weather. So I would keep an eye on it. It looks like your threat actually is potential for small hail and maybe some gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour possible. Looks like a possibility. Let's see here. Oh, Scott! With another 5. Dude, Scott, man, you are on fire. Saying, let's see, Kyra wants to know about 47302. Let's see here. 47302. Okay, I see Indiana, Muncie. Yeah, Muncie's good. Yeah, you are smack dab in the middle of not a single threat for tomorrow, so that's good. Very good news. Very, very. I mean, you can kind of see here, according to the NAM 3K, how we have, like, you know, kind of this line of storms that fires off here. It kind of seems to be fairly broken, honestly. But it really, this event does seem to really fire off late, which is good. So most of y'all's daytime partying should be okay. But it really does seem like around firework time, nature's fireworks could take over a little bit. It's kind of what it seems. Let's see here. Gotta pull up my stream here again. There we go. Yeah, I lost my stream there. Oh, I don't want to watch an ad. Let's see. What about 54475? Let's see here. 54475. This is in. Oh, that's not even a U.S. territory. I can't look there, unfortunately. Program doesn't go out there. See, I tuned in late, been lazy, not looked at the outlooks today. Appreciate. Let me know. You're very welcome. Let's see here. Sarah says 80807. Gross. 8087. Let's see here. Oh, shoot. I clicked the wrong one. 8087. There we go. Colorado. Gotcha. So, wow. You're actually in the enhanced. You're the first person we looked at today that's actually in the enhanced for tomorrow. So yeah, you kind of have the biggest risk out here for tomorrow, unfortunately. Models really don't hint storms firing off here until like maybe after 5 p.m. This will be 4 for you. This would be 4 p.m. for you, because time zone difference. See, didn't me and TRG give NAM a nickname? Yeah, it was never accurate model. We gave a bunch of the models names. You know, that is the thing. It's never good to look at one model, but since we have so many forecasts we've been doing here, like I said, since we have so many forecasts we're doing here, it's like we do not have time to break down every model there is, but just kind of get a reference of what we're talking about. I mean, like I said, typically just show you the convective outlook, maybe show the models, showing a little bit of something, but, you know. Let's see. I love small YouTubers because they put so much effort, especially you, Andrew. You do in everyone's area. Thank you. I will hope you watch your, or I will, oh, I was thinking about argument hop in and watch your video tomorrow. All right, sounds good. Let's see. Is there a chance for the golf tomorrow? Yeah, for the 4th. We do have a marginal risk out there, which is a possibility for a few thunderstorms, but they're for you, it's actually relatively south of you. So you're kind of in that general thunder area. So overall, it's not expected to be anything severe, but, you know, it is a possibility we could get a few thunderstorms out your way. But other than that, you know, the probability of them being severe is very low. Let's see here. Gotta think it's going to be a good 4th. Gotta think it's going to be a good 4th firework. Been lighting big boomers all weekend. Yeah, I've been hearing some light off too. I'm sure there's going to be a lot lighting off tonight. Probably people are going to start testing their arsenals. That's usually what happens. It usually really starts the night before, and then on the 4th, obviously, it's the biggest time, but they carry off for at least a week after, I've noticed. But like I said, you know, we're going to have a chance for some nature's fireworks here tomorrow too. You know, once again, really targeting like the Midwest, the Central Plains region. All of those areas out there seems to be kind of in that zone. You know, obviously where a few of those, you know, storms is possible. Yeah, once again, the biggest risk does seem to be like areas towards like southern Nebraska, you know, out there towards like northern Kansas even, does seem to be kind of that problem. So, or the highest area, I should say, not really a problem, but highest area likely of seeing severe weather being possible out there. So that's that. Oh, did I lose my camera? Uh-oh. Ah, man. What's going on now, bro? No! No! We were doing so good, too, for the first half hour of the stream. Ah, man. All right, hold on. It might be a faulty connection. It does this every once in a while. Uh-oh. I think it's OBS glitching. Which that, if you don't know OBS, that's the software I use. Guys, we're gonna have to go without the camera now, because I've noticed whenever I reset my stream, it works, but we're gonna have to go with that. I'm so sorry, y'all. Oh man. All right. Well, we'll just keep on doing the forecast here. Let's see here. Eureka with a 5. Thank you so much for the wonderful support. Thank you so much there, Eureka. Saying, hey there, can you please check on 38614, please? Do I have to worry about tornadoes? Thank you. There's really not a big tornado threat for most of the people tomorrow, so the chances of you being in that is probably pretty low, but let me check on it for you. 38614. This is for Mississippi. Yep, you got a marginal risk out there, so there's a chance for a couple of strong to potentially severe storms later on tomorrow. But the good news is that there is no tornado risk anywhere in sight from you. You know, for example, here, this is tomorrow's tornado probability. It's way far away from Mississippi out there, so you, my friend, are good. Your main concern you got to keep an eye out there for is maybe some small hail, maybe some, you know, up to quarter-size hail, maybe some gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour wind gusts. But other than that, you know, honestly, it's expected to be relatively fine. It should not get too crazy. Yeah, no, it really shouldn't get too crazy. Let's see here. Rip the face cam. I know. Dude, I don't know what I have a curse of face cams on my channel. If you guys have been around here for this channel for a while, you guys will understand how many problems I have ran into face cams. Not just this camera, but other cameras as well. Like it's ridiculous. It is. I think since I started YouTube like 3 years, or basically 2 years at this point. Basically 2 years, I've ran through 3 cameras. Yes, 3 of them. Well, this camera I have now is actually the camera I use for storm chasing and stuff. So, Eureka says, "Okay, thank you. You're very welcome." Scott says, "Don't forget to like the stream." Yes, guys, y'all leave a like, hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Please share this with a friend or family member. Help spread that word out there, my friends. It'll be greatly appreciated. Let's see face cams. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. Wolf Lover wants me to take a look here at 24216. See here, 24216 for Virginia. Gotcha. Okay, you got a general thunderstorm threat tomorrow. That basically means that there's a possibility for a few thunderstorms, but they're not expected to be anything severe. So, there might be a chance for a boom here and there that is not fireworks, but the probability is pretty daggone low. So, I think you should be mostly okay. How's Justin, Texas tomorrow? Let's see here. Justin, Texas. Let's see. We got a marginal. Okay, so yeah, you got yourself a possibility for maybe a thunderstorm or two. A couple of them could be severe. Let's see here. Yeah, storms later on. It kind of shows maybe a little cluster of thunderstorms rolling through, maybe around like 3, 4 o'clock p.m. possibly. Looks possible. So, that's that. See, my face cam does not like me. No, it does not. I don't know why. I have no clue why it does not like me. I think it's the cable. I think it's a faulty HDMI cable. So I might need to switch that out. Let's see here. Okay, thank you. Very welcome. No problem. Let's see here. Andrew, the thing you use to check weather app, only for a device like yours. It is called Radar Omega. That's the program. It is a monthly subscription, which you can get it for mobile, I believe, and PC. But I'm not a what you call it, sponsor. So download at your own risk. I'm kidding. No, there's nothing wrong with it. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Let's see here. Let's see. Overshoot, thank you so much for the 5. Greatly appreciated. Saying 50613. Let's see here. 50613. Cross portions of Cedar Falls, Iowa. Gotcha. You, my friend, are in a marginal level 1 out of 5, so there's a chance for a couple. Actually, you're right. You're right next to that site risk. You're getting pretty close into stronger territory out there. So there's a possibility for a couple of strong storms. Maybe a few could be severe. The NAM 3-kilometer model, the one we've been looking at in particular, doesn't really show much happening, but we're more paying attention to the environment that you're in for the possibility of some severe thunderstorms. It's more of an environmental thing. Once again, the models are not perfect at showing exactly where the storms will be, but it's a possibility considering the environment that you're in. Does look like it could favor a few severe storms. If they do occur, mostly wind and hail is your concern. But yeah. Also, I have 2 accounts named the same thing. What do you mean? I have 2 accounts? What? I don't know what you're talking about, Willis. Let's see here. I have 2. Okay. Oh, I have 2 accounts. Okay. Let's see here. Anyways. But like I said, you guys, if y'all have a zip code you'd like me to take a look at, just go ahead and throw it down in the chat. We'll be here for you. Once again, I have to give a big thank to all of our supporters today. You guys rock. We love you so much. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart for supporting this amazing channel. Honestly, I'm so thankful for you guys, and I love all of you guys very much. So just thank you for choosing here to get your forecast, stuff like that. Honestly, it's been a really amazing road with you guys, and I loved every single moment of it. And I will continue to until I can't stream anymore, physically or mentally. But I will be going on for a while. Streaming for hopefully many years to come. But I just want to give you all a big thanks, and that we love you here, so thank you so much. How about PDS severe in Maryland? What? Wait, there's a PDS severe in Maryland? Wait, hold on a minute. We're gonna. Holy cow! 80 miles. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, we're paying attention more tomorrow. We're not really paying attention today. 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter hail. Holy cow! That is crazy. Goodness. Let's see here. 34465. Can you check temperatures for tomorrow if you can? Of course. Let's see here. You said for 34465. Oh my gosh. My 4 keeps on getting stuck. 34465. This is Florida. Gotcha. General thunderstorm risk. Okay, so tomorrow it looks like you're going to be in the... Actually, there's a big drop-off in temperatures. Oh, you know what? No, I thought it was an 80. My friend, it looks like... It looks like we're going to be seeing ourselves around 95. Yeah, I am so sorry. That is terrible. That is so bad. Let's see here. Watching from Dallas, Texas, just staying inside since it's so hot. Oh, I don't blame you. Let's see. I told you 20 minutes ago. I'm sorry, TRG. I just didn't see it. You know how it can be. Boy, you skip over my comments, too. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear that, man. Anyway, just weather streamer drama. Just playing, man. You know I love you, TRG. No hard feelings. Let's see here. Let's see. Glad I have my fireworks show on Saturday. Yeah. That is good. It's good to get that over with. Or at least, not really over with, but because of the storms, I should say. It's good to have them already. But anyways, well, I tell you what, my friends, I just wanted to hop on here for about 30 minutes just to do a little quick live stream with y'all. If y'all did enjoy it, leave a like, hit that subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Once again, y'all, we're going to be live back tomorrow morning, late tomorrow morning, early tomorrow afternoon to give you all some more updates and stuff like that. But anyways, well, like I said, y'all, thank you for being here. We love y'all so much. I have to give a big shout out to our supporters here. Let's see, our donators for today includes Scott with multiple donations. We have Twinsky. We had, let's see here, Mailman's Wifey. We had Scott again, Eureka, and, let's see, Overshoe. Thank you all so much for being big supporters. We love y'all. Thank you so much. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button, you guys. Leave a like. Be greatly appreciated. Share this with a friend or family. Help get the word out there. But once again, tomorrow, I'd say between 11 and 2 p.m., we'll be doing another live stream for you guys in order to make sure that you guys are up to date. All right. Well, you guys have a wonderful night, and we will catch you guys here in the next one. All right, you guys. We love y'all. Please stay safe out there. Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Mostly sunny, with a temperature of 81 at Covington, 85 at Indianapolis, 85 at Jasper, Indiana, 81 at Jackson, and 83 at London. At Wilmington, Ohio, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 76. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. Issued at 3:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For portions of south-central Indiana and central Kentucky. For tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Tuesday through Sunday. Isolated to scattered thunderstorms are possible each day, mainly in the afternoon, and could produce locally gusty winds and heavy rainfall. Spotter information statement